So how can you make a video on the iPad screen? Let's get started. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, I would recommend you to subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you want to capture everything that's going on the screen, you most definitely need to make sure that you go to the control center and that you have the screen recording toggle available or showing up right there. If you don't see it, just tap on the plus button right there and then click on the add control at the bottom, right? So you need to make sure that you just add it, right? So you just bring the screen recording toggle to the control center. And now every time you want to capture everything that's going on the screen, you just go there, tap on it, right? There's going to be a little countdown like 3, 2, 1, and the screen is being captured, right? So you can go to any app, literally show like almost anything, right? And it will be captured as a video. Once you're finished, you tap on the button at the top to stop the recording, and it will be saved like a regular video in your gallery, right? Like in the Photos app. And from there, you can perform some edits or share it however you like, right? So that's it. But one last option or thing that you need to know about is when you go to the control center and hold down on the screen recording, you also have the ability to capture the voice, right? To activate the microphone. So that's kind of useful to know because sometimes you want to speak over the video, sometimes you want to keep it quiet, right? So this is where you decided. But that's it. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, but most definitely stay tuned by subscribing so that way you do not miss anything important. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.